Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. In this video I mess shit up. Basically go and stuff it all up royally. Not only did I forget to turn the microphone on for about half of the video, I made a number of mistakes. One, it turns out it was the rubber coupling that was dead on the tail shaft. I'll probably go ahead and do a voiceover of this as well, but yeah, so rubber coupling was dead on the tail shaft. I learnt a couple of things. One, I need to put a tail shaft loop in the car. Two, don't cheap out on the rubber couplings. That one wasn't the cheapest, but it wasn't like a super expensive one either. Yeah, so it wasn't a crazy expensive one, but anyway, that's irrelevant. Rubber coupling's not good. Oh yeah, that's a fail. Yeah, so today, checking out the tail shaft. Fucking microphone. Fucking car. Ah! This is gonna be a great video. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. That's munted. Bits of wire. Cool. Yeah, well I noticed it was sort of like that, all split and torn and busted. So I was like, oh, I probably should change that. Again there, a bit of a thing on it. But yeah, note to self, change it. So here's the part that I've been waiting for the most. How bad is this oil? Or what does this oil look like? Let's have a look. It's not as bad as the other stuff. You can tell. That's done about 200 k's, this oil. Look at it. I reckon it's probably just the oil not liking the E85. So I'll go ahead, drain all this out of it, and I'll swap it over with some good stuff. I got a quick welding job I got to do on the front of this sump. So before I go putting any oil back in it, I'll do that. I'll just show you guys. So right up here, right there, you're probably not going to be able to see it, but there's just a little pinhole in one of my welds there. So I'm going to quickly throw a tack on that, and then you're not going to be able to see it either, but around the back side here on this weld, just doesn't seem to be welded very well or the best. So I'm just going to quickly buzz over the top of that. Hopefully that'll solve a couple of oil leaks on this thing. I'll do it while I got the oil out. I'm going to go ahead and I'll let this drain some more. Note to myself and anyone out there welding on a sump that's had oil and petrol in it, don't. Holy fuck, wish I got that on camera. Fucking engine just exploded. Yeah, turns out ethanol and oil still burns. Scared the fucking shit out of me. Thought that my pinhole oil leaks have stopped for the time being. I ended up just slapping a bit of JB Weld over the side of it because I didn't want to TIG anymore. Horrible couple of days actually following that. Everything just went wrong and bad, and yeah, I made a massive mistake. I did end up draining the oil out of it, as you guys will see. I think I had the microphone on by then. But yeah, I got the oil out of it and it turned out looking alright. No, sorry, it wasn't right. So it still looked milky and it had only done like 200 Ks. So I went and put the VP racing oil in it. It is a little bit thinner. And again, that's going to be something I'm going to monitor as well. Get some of this oil in there. So if you didn't see in the live stream, I got some VP racing oil. Going to give this stuff a go. See if it comes out any better than that Penrite. Oh yeah, sick. She is full, which is good. Can't see anything leaking. Guess I'll just start her up and see what happens. Cross your fingers that everything's alright. Alright, here we go. Lucky. Alright, well that's sick. So, seems we got lucky, guys. Well, it seems I got lucky. Thankfully, as far as I can tell, there's no leaks, no bad noises. Nothing strange is going on with it yet. This is still something I will monitor, just for a little while at least, until I'm 100% sure that nothing bad came from that. Seems like my catch can and rocket cover gaskets have saved. Pretty much everything else, front main, rear main, to start with. I have noticed that oil pressure is down a little bit compared to what it normally is with this slightly thinner oil. Again, that's something else that I will monitor as well. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this back up on the hoist and empty that container of old engine oil into my oil container, from the catch drain pan to the oil container, and I'm going to call it a night for tonight. But yeah, it's a big relief. I've been stressing about that for days now. Yeah, thankfully it all seems to be good. But yeah, I'll just keep an eye on the JB Weld and any other leaks and bits and pieces. But yeah, I mean, I took yesterday off to go and do something other than work on a car for a change. Went out fishing, so I had a good day out of that, doing that. It was a great day, the weather was nice, the water was great, nice and flat. Caught a few fish, so I'm going to cook myself up them, maybe sometime during the week or next weekend. But yeah, that's basically going to be it from me in this video. I've got a new lav mic that I'm testing out as well, and I'm about to go and test fit a wheel, as well as get this tail shaft all buttoned and bolted up. So yeah, that's going to be it from me in this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't weld on your sumps with fuel or oily, petrol-y oil in them. Careful with your rubber guibos if you have one. Unis are better, so I've been told. And I gotta get a tail shaft loop, and yes, I will be getting one sooner rather than later, or I'll be making one. But yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it in this video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Please leave a like on the video, put a comment down below, share if you're new, as well as subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one when I'm stuck around with these things. I'll give you guys a bit of a sneak peek as to what's going on in the end of the video. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. It's a big wheel. It's a whole lot of wheel. But yeah, it's just rubbing in there on that caliper bolt. That one looks the same too. Oh, that's interesting. I guess the next step is to get the tyres mounted.